Maha Cartoon TV.
Biker Witch. In a forest, a witch named Kiran used to live. Kiran was very fond of riding a bike. There was only Kiran in the forest who used to ride a bike as a witch. Everyone used to make fun of her unusual hobby.
Hey! The biker witch has come.
Kiran, where will you go with such an attitude? Nowhere. Our Kiran will be transformed into darkness after a few days.
You guys keep jealous like this.
Why would we jealous of you?
You people can't digest that how can I ride a bike as a witch?
Well, you are a witch, and a witch cannot ride a bike, and no witch rides a bike in this forest anywhere.
Yes, Fattu brother. You are right. No witch rides a bike in this forest.
Hi, Pattu. You are a Pattu by name. You do not teach me that I should ride a bike or not. Shut your mouth and mind your own business, okay?
Look, Chomo brother. How much she is speaking. Her tongue moves like a scissor.
She is right, Fattu brother.
What did you say?
I mean, my brother, you are right. Huh? She is talking too much. Am I right, Monu brother?
Yes. She has become too arrogant.
Oh yeah? If I have become arrogant, then do not talk to me. Got it? Saying this, Kiran the witch left from there and the three Dracula were left staring at her. Kiran the witch felt very bad about their talk, but she went ahead forgetting them. Kiran's grandmother was a witch who encouraged her a lot for her abilities. Hello, Grandma. How are you?
Oh, my darling, you have come. I'm as cool and sexy as ever. See, I'm still young.
Yes, Grandma. You are my cool grandma.
Stop pretending like you are fine in front of me. And tell me what has happened to you. Why are you so sad?
Hey, Grandma. Don't know why everyone has such a problem with riding my bike. They always insult me.
Oh, someone again made fun of you?
Yes, Grandma. Sometimes I think I'm doing wrong.
Oh, my darling, don't think so much. And keep this in mind, that when we get pleasure from doing something, then that work can never go wrong.
Oh, Grandma, you are so sweet. You have the solution for all of my problems.
Hey, I'm so cool and sexy.
Yes, my cool and sexy grandmother. I have to go now. I have some work.
Okay, that's fine. And yes, do come to visit sometime.
Okay, Grandma. Goodbye.
Bye, darling.
Kiran the witch felt wonderful after meeting her grandmother. And on the other hand, after getting insulted by Kiran witch, the three Dracula starts thinking of taking a revenge from her.
No. That witch made fun of my name. I will not leave her.
I am also thinking in my mind that I should teach her a lesson.
I have an idea.
What?
She is very fond of riding on her bike. We will do one thing. We will drop her from the bike. Once she will fall down, all her arrogance will pass. She would never dare to ride a bike again. You are rightly saying that this is what we have to do with her. But one second, how will we do this? Brothers, just wait and watch. What happens next?
Everyone started preparing to teach Kiran a lesson. Shortly after, Kiran started riding the bike through the same path where the three Dracula was waiting for her.
See what I will do.
What happened to me all of a sudden? Why didn't I see the stone?
See how bad her condition is.
What happened to Biker Witch? Oh, la, 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 la. We told you, riding a bike is not the work of witches. La, 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 la. And you don't understand this, do you?
Now this witch will never dare to ride a bike. Today she might have understood this.
Oh wow! Now I have got more courage to ride the bike. You have to correct such poor thinking of people now. What do you think? Only you can ride a bike. If it's like this, then let's have a competition.
Competition? That too, with you.
Why? What happened, Pattu? Are you scared? Oh,
We are not afraid of anyone.
then let's compete.
All right then, let's do it.
So it was final that this Sunday we will have a bike riding competition. And the one who wins will be called the biker of this forest.
Okay.
After talking, everyone started preparing for the bike competition that was going to be held on Sunday. In the entire forest, who is the biker of the forest, the talk of competition spread like fire. Everyone started waiting for Sunday and also for the biker of the forest. So finally, Sunday arrived. All the witches and the Draculas of the forest have come to see the competition, along with the animals of the forest. Her grandmother also reached there to encourage Kiran. Hey, Grandma, what are you wearing?
Hey darling, your cool and sexy grandmom have wear this for you.
Hey, Grandma, you are looking the best today.
Isn't it? All the best, darling. I know that you will win.
Thank you, Grandma. Grandma, okay, I'm going. Competition had been just about to start in a while. Everyone took their bikes and sat on it. After that, the announcement has been made to start the race from behind. And finally, the race started.
My darling Kiran! 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 You will win, my baby!
The witches were encouraging all the Draculas, but not encouraging Kiran. But even after this, Kiran did not lose courage and tried her best to win this race. All have overtaken Kiran, and suddenly Kiran's bike slipped and she fell very awkward.
Fell down. We knew she could not do anything.
Hey, my darling has fallen. Get up, my baby, and show everyone that you can do a lot.
Kiran was badly hurt, but still gathered her courage. She started her bike again and joined the race. Kiran took off her bike very fast and in no time overtakes the three Draculas.
How did this Kiran witch get ahead?
All three Draculas lagged behind.
Yoo-hoo, my darling! I know you would move on. Yoo-hoo!
Kiran accelerated the speed of her bike in such a way that she surpassed everyone and eventually she won the race.
I knew you would definitely make me proud, my baby.
Oh, Grandma, see, I won!
Yes, my child. I am very happy for you.
Forgive us, Kiran Vich. We made fun of your art.
Yes, Kiran. Today you proved yourself that how talented you are.
You proved yourself the best biker of this forest.
Yes, Biker Witch.
Biker Witch, Biker Witch, Biker Witch, Biker Witch, Biker Witch, Biker Witch.
Kiran has proved herself to the forest people that she can ride a bike despite being a witch. And everyone accepted her courage.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.